Tanzania, the land of Kilimanajro, Zanzibar, and the Serengeti. With such a perfect location, perched on the edge of the African continent and facing the Indian Ocean, Tanzania's weather and climate leaves nothing to be desired. Warm sunny days are followed by cool and balmy nights, and whether you're on safari on the Serengeti plains or enjoying the tropical beaches of Zanzibar, the temperatures are always welcoming and exciting. Tanzania has within its borders some of the most incredible tribal diversity to be found in Africa. The country is home to approximately 120 tribal groups, most of which comprise small communities that are gradually being assimilated into the larger population due to changes in land use and the economic draw of city life. The Spice Islands of the Zanzibar archipelago, Pemba, Mafia, and the entire Tanzania coast is home to the Swahili people, a vibrant mix of Arab, Indian, and Bantu origins, who historically based their livelihoods around Indian Ocean trade. Tanzania has more land devoted to national parks and game reserves than any other wildlife destination in the world. Everything from pristine coral reefs to the crater highlands, remote game reserves and the famous national parks are protected by government law and placed in trust for future generations to marvel at it in wonder and awe. Serengeti is easily Tanzania's most famous national park, and it's also the largest. Its far-reaching plains of endless grass, tinged with the twisted shadows of acacia trees, have made it the quintessential image of a wild and untarnished Africa. The annual wildebeest migration through the Serengeti and the Masai Mara attract visitors from around the world, who flock to the open plains to witness the largest mass movement of land animals on the planet. More than 1 million animals make the seasonal journey to fresh pasture, first to the north, then the south, after the biannual rains. Above the gently rolling hills and plateau of northern Tanzania rises the spectacular snow-covered peak of Mount Kilimanjaro, its slopes and glaciers shimmering above the rising clouds. Not only is this the roof of Africa, but the mountain's ecosystems are as strikingly beautiful as they are varied and diverse. The Ngorongoro crater is often called Africa's Eden and the 8th natural wonder of the world. A visit to the crater is perhaps the most important drawcard for tourists coming to Tanzania and is a definite world-class attraction. Within the crater rim, large herds of zebra and wildebeest graze, while sleeping lions laze in the sun. At dawn, the endangered black rhino returns to the thick cover of the crater forests after grazing on dew-laden grass in the morning mist. Just outside the crater's ridge, tall Maasai herd their cattle and goats over green pastures through the highland slopes, living along the wildlife as they have done for countless centuries. Zanzibar's coastline offers some of the best beaches in the world. On the south coast of Zanzibar lies the Menai Bay Conservation Area, a sea turtle protection area for the endangered species that comes to breed on the island.